So 34 works backwards from how 33 did. Sometimes I get confused on where we're at. We're going to tuck everything back in and make it a single logarithm. So they kind of tell you here, first of all, we could see everything is log base m. That is not going to change. So let's go ahead and put that in there as a start. We know we got log base m. Now what's in here? Well, let's see how this works. So we're gonna follow order of operations. Anything multiplication in the front, what we want to do is we want to move that up to being an exponent. So here's a 1/5 power, that's going to become an exponent. Here's a 5, that's going to become an exponent. Okay, so we're going to have log base m of y to the 6th minus log base m of z to the 1/5 and plus log base m of w to the 5th. Now be careful on your letters, your variables in here, y, z, and w. So that's the first part, is get every multiplication up to being an exponent. Now this z you could write as a 5th root, but notice they don't give us a radical, so we're going to leave this exponent as a fraction because we have no ability to write it as a radical. They don't give it to us. But we're not done yet. We're not a single logarithm yet, right? We still got 3 logarithms. But what we're going to do is we're now going to take, let's change colors here, that subtraction is going to be, means that this goes down in is division down there. Addition is multiplication up in the numerator. And remember, from working with exponents, if you have x to the -2, that means you've got 1 over x squared. So negatives in this case are meaning that it's in the denominator. So we're going to get multiplication on the top. And this is sort of when I go through this, it's sometimes going step by step is not as helpful as just saying, okay, this first part and the second part, since they're both positive, are going to be in the numerator. And I'm going to have this log base m down here. So, and then this is all the inside stuff. The inside stuff is going to be y to the 6th. And since this is positive, this is going to be w to the 5th. What's going to be in the basement? Just this part here, because we've got this negative. That's telling you it belongs down in the denominator, and that's a 1/5 there. That's our answer. So multiplication all becomes exponents, and then negatives go down in the denominator, positives go up in the numerator. Okay, so let's do this one. Y to the 6th, and then I arrow to get back down to the line w. Click that thing to the 5th, and then down here I'm going to have another, no, I don't have a fraction yet, I have z, and get my exponent. In the exponent I have a fraction, 1/5. And that is all as a single logarithm, just like they're asking. Okay, so number 34.